Hi, what if I told you that you can build and launch your own AI chatbot like ChatGPT live on a real website with your own domain powered by some of the most advanced AI models available today? Sounds exciting, right? That's exactly what we are going to do in this course. Hi, I'm Shikhar Verma and I'm excited to welcome you to this course. Build your own AI chatbot like ChatGPT Complete Guide. In this course, we will go step by step and create a fully working AI chatbot using real cloud tools like Amazon EC2 for hosting your app, NGINX to handle traffic, Streamlit for building the chatbot interface, and Chatbot to secure your website with HTTPS. And what really makes your chatbot powerful is the brain behind it. And for that, we will use Amazon Bedrock. Amazon Bedrock lets you access advanced foundation models like Anthropic Cloud, Amazon Titan, and more without needing to manage any servers or APIs manually. So with just a few lines of Python code, you will be able to add real AI power to your chatbot. We will also connect it with LangChain, which helps manage conversations, memory, and complex workflows easily. By the end of this course, you will learn how to set up an EC2 instance on AWS, purchase and connect your domain like chatbotshikhar.com, upload and run your chatbot scripts using Python, secure chatbot with HTTPS. And most importantly, deploy a live chatbot that anyone in the world can access. And yes, we will build this step by step, no rush, no prior experience with cloud required. I will explain each command and every setup process clearly. This is not just a demo. You will actually deploy your own project and it will be something you can show proudly on your resume, portfolio, or startup.